Hi, welcome to Time Studios. My name is Hiroyuki Sato, a technical account manager based out of Tokyo. Today's feature review is Simplified Customer Firewall Requirements. So let's get started. Genesis Cloud now uses Amazon CloudFront URLs to serve content stored in Amazon S3. Customers can remove these three entries from their firewall allow list. Also, Genesis Cloud now only uses two domains for delivering content from Amazon CloudFront. Customers can replace *.cloudfront.net entries with two domain entries. For example, in case of Shidone region, *.cloudfront.net can be replaced these two entries. By not using asterisk, customers can increase the security of their network. For more information, please see Genesis Cloud Resource Center. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please comment below or email us any questions at timestudios@genesis.com.